Welcome. We're Group A. We're doing Automotive Gearbox. My name is Kathleen and Oyola.
I'm Wright. And I'm Sanchez. Changes that are done to the drive system of vehicles are typically done to the engine and transmission. They're to go and increase three performance aspects, which would be fuel efficiency, higher speeds, and also increased towing capacity, which you'll see with heavier trucks and vehicles like that. Many components in the drive system are constantly being evaluated and improved for increasing vehicle performance in these three aspects. And the two primary systems that are improved upon are the engine and the transmission gearbox. Improvements are basically dictated by increase in material quality and also increase in manufacturing. Because of these two primary improvements, gears are now capable of handling much higher forces than they were in the past. And designs are constantly being developed in smaller packages, allowing for more gears within a gearbox design. One of the improvements is a 5-axis mill, which allows cutting these helical patterns. This is a current style gearbox, where previously transmissions had only standard straight cut tube.
So we have three proposed design alternatives based on different things to the conventional transmission gearbox. One of them is the CVT, and it means constant velocity transmission, or also known as continuously variable transmission. It was created by Leonardo da Vinci in the year 1490. However, it wasn't used by the car companies until the late 80s and early 90s. Instead of the conventional gearbox, it had two variable diameter pulleys connected by a belt. And the main advantage of this transmission is that it provides a quicker acceleration with better high fuel efficiency. However, there are some disadvantages of the sound that it makes that is weird for the driver, and the reliability of the system that many companies don't think that the lifespan is very long. The next one we have a picture with the diameter pulleys, you can see. Our sector proposed as an alternative is the hydraulic drive, although we are going to use the branch that is called electrostatic transmission. It was created in the year 1795 by Joseph Grumman that created the first machine with pressurized water. How this works? Well, we use the pressurized water that the pump generates to drive the energy from the engine to the load. It has some advantages, like it does not trip at zero and it has low inertia. But the main advantage is that it can drive the energy from full speed in one direction to the full speed of the opposite direction, maintaining a constant acceleration. However, there are some disadvantages, like it's uncontrollable when you accelerate first, and it's very expensive because it requires a lot of oil. And the reliability of the system is also bad. The lifespan is not really long. But this is an hydraulic drive.
We're talking about the electrical drive system. The meaning of the electrical system is that controls the rotation of the motor shaft by electrical means. The electricity is generated, converted into mechanical energy. Some of the components of the electrical drive can be categorized as motor, power, processor, control unit, source, and sensor. Motor. They are considered energy converters, as they convert energy from electrical to mechanical. The power processor is a connection between electrical source and motor, and is created for the power source to be controlled and regulated. We also have control unit, which generates switching signals that depend on the performance that needs to be obtained, and depending also the type of motor that is being used. We have source. Source is the power that converts. Needs to be used to regulate energy supplied to motor. And sensors, isolation for sensor with control units is in place, and it may cause damage to control system. Some of the benefits of this system is high efficiency, low noise, can be started quickly, available in different range, power, current, and low maintenance. As you can see, this is one of the systems for electrical drive with the planetary gear. In conclusion, the conventional gearbox have many aspects in conventional systems, and will be likely to completely fulfill in the near future, with various engines being implemented into automobiles that are being evaluated by industry, and in the near future may become standard for vehicles. discussion of the alternatives, it is difficult to find a replacement for modern gearbox, which has been developed in many years. The system needs to be developed to have a closer, lower efficiency to the conventional gearbox. Electric is an option for the future if the electric car is developed and has higher efficiency. And the CVT is the closest to the conventional transmission, with a high possibility of being the substitute.
Fuel cell vehicles, electric vehicles, and hybrids are all currently being researched heavily, which, depending on the final drive systems that are dictated based on their applications, it'll determine a lot of what may happen in the gearbox in the future. Various changes to these are all occurring as technology advances and the design has more time to improve for its efficiency.